It takes a lot to grow something special. A lot of dedication, hard work, and belief goes into making anything that lasts. In Ireland, we know the value of building things that last. Our ancestors left their imprint on the land, working in harmony with nature. They cultivated the green, lush fields of Ireland to build a nation that has grown and flourished. And always at the forefront of their mind was to look after the generation to come. They didn't call it sustainability. It was an instinct, an understanding that being in harmony with nature was a good thing. We've always had a contract with nature. It's a contract that is based on respect for the environment, for each other, for the future. It's these long-held values that will help us rise to meet the challenges facing the world's food supply. In the decades to come, climate change and population growth will create enormous strain on global food supply. With the global population expected to rise by 2.4 billion before the year 2050, the world will need to produce up to twice as much food from increasingly limited resources. Food security is a major global issue Ireland is well positioned to help address. Ireland is a country of 5 million people, yet we produce enough food to feed 25 million. With this in mind, 5 years ago, Bord Bia created Origin Green, the world's first national sustainability programme. Our objective is to help every food and drink producer in Ireland become fully sustainable. Every day, farms the length and breadth of Ireland are audited under our quality assurance scheme to ensure they are achieving agreed targets in areas of sustainability. Businesses who sign up to the Origin Green Charter are independently verified by our international partner SGS. These producers are helped to achieve results in raw material sourcing, carbon emissions, energy management, waste management, water management, biodiversity, traceability, and social sustainability. Over 90% of Irish food exports have been verified under Origin Green. We rank second in the world for food security. Our farmers, food and drink manufacturers, and retail and food service distributors are leading the way when it comes to protecting the environment, the community, and the raw materials under their care. We are not only renewing our contract with nature, we are improving it in order to meet the rising challenges of our modern world. The approach is modern, but the knowledge and values underpinning it have echoed through the ages. For us, it's always been about having a commitment to family, to community, to the environment, and to the future. Wherever life flourishes, the fruits of Irish soil are savoured. In Ireland, we know that food is for life.